Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, we'll first spend some time in analyzing this geometry and seeing how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing, I feel that the best starting point would be drawing of this inner circle of radius 20. Then we'll copy that circle over here, center to center distance as 136. Then we'll fillet the two circles at a radius of 50. Then we'll draw one line which extends from the midpoint of this circle to the center point of this arc, and then extending downwards at a distance of 80 units, and then to the left at a distance of 50 units. That will help us get this center point. Now with that center point, we'll draw a circle of radius 15. Then we'll copy that circle to the right at a distance of 100 units. Then we'll draw one line quadrantial to this circle, quadrantial to this, so tangential to this and tangential to this. And then we'll also draw one line tangential to this and tangential to this. Then we'll select this entire entity and use join command and make it into one entity. Then we'll offset it outside at a distance of 25 minus 15, that is 10 units. Then we'll draw one line which extends from the midpoint of this to the midpoint of this, that will give us the intersection, and we'll draw a line upwards at a distance of 70 units. Now with that as a center point, we'll draw an inner circle of radius 10. Then we'll copy that circle upward at a distance of 30 units, and then we'll draw two quadrantial lines on the either side. We'll trim off the inner edges and we'll join and make this one entity. We'll offset it outside at a distance of 25 minus 10, that is 15 units. Then we'll draw this line tangential to this, tangential to this, and another line tangential to this and tangential to this. We'll trim off the unwanted spaces in between. Now our geometry would be complete. Then we'll select the entire geometry, increase the line thickness, then we'll put the center mark, and then we'll do the dimensioning. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the geometry. So we'll first begin by drawing this inner circle of 20 radius. So I select circle, center radius, and I use this as a tracking point, and I click somewhere over here, and I give the inner circle radius of 20 units and hit enter. Then I use the copy command and I copy this circle, hit enter from the midpoint of this and extend it to the right at a distance of 136 units. Then I hit enter to come out of the copy command. Now I have to fillet these two circles at a radius of 50. So I will type fillet, R for radius, and radius is 50. Hit enter. Then click on this circle and then click on this circle. Remember, if you click somewhere else, you might get a circle pointing upwards. So we want a circle whose arc is facing downwards. Now we'll draw one line which extends from the center of this circle to the midpoint of this arc. We'll take a intersection and we'll click over here and we'll extend it downwards at a distance of 80 units, and then to the left at a distance of 50 units and hit enter. Then we'll draw a circle of radius 15. So we select circle, center radius, give this as a center point, and radius is 15. Then we copy that circle. So we click on the circle and from here we extend it to the right at a distance of 100 units. Then we press escape. Then we use the line command and we draw one line which would be quadrantial to this and quadrantial to this. Enter. Again line command, we would select tangential to this and tangential to this circle. Enter. Again line command, tangential to this, or you can alternately use the mirror command also, and tangential to this. Hit enter. We'll erase the referential lines and we'll trim the unwanted part of the circles. So we don't need this, we don't need this, this and this. Hit enter. Then we select the entire entity and J for join, make it into one. Then we offset it to the outer side at a distance of 25 minus 15, that is 10 units. So we give the distance as 10 and click over here and on the outer side. Now we press escape to come out of this. Now we'll draw one line which extends from the midpoint of this and we take the intersection of this over here and we extend it upward at a distance of 70 units and hit enter and again press enter, and then we draw a circle of radius 10. So circle center radius, this is the center point, radius is 10. CO for copy, click on the circle and copy it at a distance of 30 units and then press escape. Now we draw one line quadrantial to this, quadrantial to this, enter. Another line quadrantial to this, quadrantial to this, enter. And then we trim. So we type trim and we no longer need these edges. Hit enter. Then we select the entire entity and we press J for join. Now we offset it to the outer side at a distance of 25 minus 10, that is 15. So we give the offset distance as 15 and then we click on the object to offset and the side to offset. Then we press escape. Then we draw one line which would be tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle. Enter. Another line tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle, like this, and then we hit enter to come out of the line command. Now we erase the unwanted parts of the line, so we type the trim command, hit enter, and we no longer need this, this or this. Enter. Then we erase the referential line also, enter. Then we select the entire geometry and we change the thickness to 0.30. Then we press escape and we type CM for center mark. Click over here, and then click here, 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 and here. Escape. Then we select the 4 center marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and change the color to red. Then we press escape to come out of the center mark command. Now we begin with the dimensioning. So we select linear dimensioning and we click center point of this and center point of this, and we extend it to the outer side 30 units. Again we use linear dimensioning, center point of this, and you have to be very careful that you select the right center point. So linear dimensioning, you select center point of this and center point of this. Again linear dimensioning, center point of this to center point of this, and it is 70 units. Ensure that you bring it exactly to end with this dimension. Again we go for linear dimensioning, center point of this to center point of this, and then up to here 80 units. Again linear dimensioning, center point of this, center point of this, 100 units. Then go for radius dimensioning and radius for the outer circle 25, radius dimensioning, radius for the inner circle 15, again radius dimensioning, radius for the outer circle 30, again radius for the inner circle 20. Then we go for linear dimensioning, center point of this and center point of this, and extend it up to here 136 units. Now in the end we need two radius dimensioning. First radius dimensioning for the inner circle 10 units and second radius dimensioning for the outer circle 25 units, and our geometry is complete. So friends, in this video tutorial we have seen how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.